Yvebelize. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you will subscribe. Just feeling like doing my own deep conditioner today. You know, every now and again you have to switch it up, and I'm good for using the natural stuff in my hair, but I usually do what works for my hair. Today I'm feeling like something out of the kitchen, so I figured let me put in some coconut milk and some olive oil. They're both very moisturizing to the hair. I am going to show you how I make it. I'm going to be applying it to the hair, and I'm also going to show you what the hair is looking like after we've applied the deep conditioner. So let's go make this stuff, put it in the hair, and let's see what happens. I usually purchase the coconut milk in the carton and measure them out in half a cup and store them in the little Ziploc bags in the freezer. Add half a cup of coconut milk, tablespoon of olive oil, and you could also add honey if you would like. I'm adding it to the blender to see if I can make it a little bit thicker. This step is not required, and it really didn't make a difference. Decide to try this. I recommend that you do this in the shower. It would be less messy. So the next time I do it, I'm definitely going to be applying this in the shower. And because this was a little watery, I put a towel on the floor so I didn't get the place messy. I only have a little bit left, so I'm going to use this when I'm rinsing out my hair. But I'm going to put on my plastic cap, and I'm going to keep this in for about 45 minutes. And then I will come back once I rinse it out so you can see. Yes, y'all, she's all done. My hair feels really soft. Can you see that? And it looks shiny too. me the stuff in the kitchen. It will come through all the time. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. What I always say, y'all, if you like the video, share the video. And Eve will see y'all in the next video.